Home remedies for wrist pain. There are a number of things that can cause wrist pain. It can be from an injury, the effects of an injury, or it could also be an onset of a bigger condition. There are two main kinds of injuries you want to watch out for. Number 1. Splints. Splints help with some wrist pains because they keep the wrist straight, and sometimes some straight support is just what you need. The gently added pressure can help to ease some of the inflammation. It is not uncommon for the wrist pain to worsen at night, so it is not a terrible idea for you to wear the splints in the evening to intercept the pain before it gets the chance to develop. Number 2. Breaks. Working for 15 minutes and then taking break, one of the best ways to stop or avoid wrist pain. It doesn't matter what the task is. Writing, playing an instrument, working with hand tools, typing, whatever it may be. After 15 minutes, take a couple moments to flex your fingers, make little circles with your wrists, get them moving better so that blood flow improves. Number 3. Do not overflex. Flexing your arm too much can cause even more pain and discomfort to the pained wrist. So if you can help, do not put too much stress or strain on yourself. Doing some light wrist stretches is okay. Just do not do anything that hurts. Number 4. Warmth. If you live in a cold area, then do not be worried if the pain gets worse in the winter. This is more for arthritis